Hi. Thank you, Tainan and Enter. So, hello, my name is Max, and this presentation is for extending the mobile architecture to allow the GraphQL and with the 3.0 server. Yeah, this is our currently architecture. So we use Redux as a middleware between the Meteor socket to the whole application. And inside the Redux, we have the modules who served and be filled with the Meteor collections, and another module that is the white app that controls all. It facilitates an easy access to the whole components in the application. So achieve that, like we dispatch some actions from the application through Redux to the Meteor socket, and we select some collections from useSelector from Meteor through Redux. So in the summit, we have a new architecture. We implemented the Apollo provider that connects with the GraphQL system that has been developed. And in this, it scrambles a little bit with the architecture in this particular version. Like Apollo is very similar to Redux, so we can like scratch some data of Redux the same way we scratch data from Apollo provider. So in the 3.0, we still have Meteor, so we have to keep the Redux and easy our handling of stuff in this version. But in the 3.0, we're probably gonna wipe the whole Meteor stuff from the application and connects with only the GraphQL stuff. Like I said, Apollo is very similar. Apollo provider is very similar to Redux, so we can catch the white app module inside that right now is inside of Redux and put in the Apollo provider. And we use this with the use reactive var. Yeah. Okay, this is the current state of our application. So the near future steps that we plan to do is to change the repository owner to the BigBlueButton organization. We hope this like to more people see it, more people developing into it. We are probably in the next slide, I will show that we plan to develop all the features for the attendee and the presenter. We plan to improve documentation to allow more collaborators on the project. We are still thinking some way to encourage the app usage. And we start in the summit, we start the integration with the GraphQL, the BigBlueButton 3.0 and future versions. For the roadmap, it's like the things that last for us to implement from the attendee part. It's the private chat, the change media devices, audio and video from iOS. So yeah, iOS is really not easy to do. Like in Direct Native, you have to do in the native code. Same as improved Bluetooth support. And the three core features that is present in the BigBlueButton, the share notes, the whiteboard, and the view of the external video. And for the presenter, we plan to implement the screen share functionality in Android and iOS, the manage presentation stuff, and share the external video. In the summit, we do a lot of backend stuff, so it's not very different that usually it is. But in this demo, we are searching the collection from the GraphQL, like the presentation is coming from the GraphQL, the user's collection is coming from the GraphQL, like all this role, his names and stuff. the chat too, and we can dispatch some actions like send chat messages through the GraphQL and the Apollo provider. And that's it.